I wanted to make sure that the project would be completed in on time, so that during the time that I know that I can no longer be occupied in my place, I can arrange accommodations accordingly. And I generally have a very busy work life, so I wanted to make sure that the renovation is completed on time. That was a big concern for me. Another concern that I had was I wanted to make sure that the designer that I worked with understood my needs and was able to provide suggestions and work with me so that we can create a new bathroom that fits my needs and is what I would like. So Knockout promised that they would complete my project within 5 weeks, and they did end up completing it on time. So I was really happy with that. And June from Knockout was really helpful in understanding my personality and my needs, and she proposed a good design for the bathroom that would make sense given the size and the specs of the bathroom. I think ultimately the quality of the work and the design being good were the two most important things to me. I think what I really liked about Knockout Renovation was that they were very upfront with the costs. They gave me estimates, which ended up being very accurate. And upon completion of the work, um, my final amount came out incredibly close to what they estimated would be the cost of the project. I have I went to Tokyo 2 years ago and fell in love with the city. And one of the things that I really liked in Japan was their toilets, which just seemed decades ahead from the toilets that are used in US because they use washlets, and the toilets are more high tech, and it just seemed more hygienic to me. And so a big motivation for me with redoing my bathroom was to get a Japanese toilet. So I got a Toto Japanese toilet installed, and it's been working great. And I also like that I was able to upgrade the color scheme of my bathroom to match the look and feel of the rest of my place. I recommend Knockout Renovation.